Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Wells Fargo's budgeting and tracking tools. Let's get straight into the video. So for budgeting and tracking tools, you have My Money, and that's a budgeting tool that helps you to track your spending. You can create budget with that and also set financial goals. You also have Budget Watch, which is a feature that tracks your spending and alerts you when you go over budget. There's also Sending Reports, and that's a report that categorizes your transactions and provides a detailed breakdown of your spendings. You also have Account Alerts, which is a customizable alert that notifies you of large transactions, low account balances, and other account activities. Now, for setting up and using these tools, what you want to do is to log into your Wells Fargo's online banking accounts, and then you can just click on the My Money tab to access the budgeting tools, and then just set up Budget Watch by creating a budget and setting alerts for when you go over your limits. You can view spending reports. So you can view your spending reports to see a detailed breakdown of your spendings, and you could also set up account alerts. So you can set up account alerts to notify you of large transactions, low account balances, and other account activities and such. Now, for the mobile app access, what you want to do is to download the Wells Fargo's mobile app on your Android device or iOS device, and then just log into your account, and then you can access the budgeting tool, including My Money, Budget Wallet, and spending reports, all on the mobile app. Now, a couple of tips and reminders for you guys. The first, of course, is to regularly review your budget to ensure that you are on track and that you meet financial goals. You could also adjust your budget as needed to reflect changes in your income and your expenses. You could also use account alerts. So use account alerts to notify you of large transactions and all that account activities, just so that you are well informed, in case of any suspicious activities. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Wells Fargo's budgeting and tracking tools. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.